Hello, I love how your information graphic turned out. It's very consistent. It shows sharp attention to consistent detail. Your typography is creative. It moves my eye all around the page. The addition of these sort of movement dots really helps. That was a smart touch. So I had two final suggestions. One, I'm not sure if that's how you spell lavender. It might be E lavender. And then double check pollinate. Again, I could be wrong, but I just thought I'd throw that out there since I'm making a video. And the other thing is you made the credits way too small, and the credits are super important to any information graphic because it helps lend like a sense of scientific um, facts to your infographic. And in the world of fake news, you want to be as precise about that as possible. So what I would do, I mean, clearly, I think, you don't want to just stick that in there. It's going to ruin your design. So there's two things you could do. Well, two thoughts come to mind. You could increase the canvas like a half inch all the way around. And then on the side or underneath, you can write graphic by your name, and then you put a semicolon, and then you say source, and then a colon, and then you put copy and paste the link that you found it from. And if there's more, you just continue to add semicolons and paste. There's that. You could also do something up here with Save the Bees, where you put something about where you found it, and that's enough of a source, and you can also put your name on there. So those are my two immediate ideas. But again, it's really important that you put the source on because it makes it look more official. Plus, it shows not only are you a designer and illustrator, but you're capable of doing research on your own. You don't need anybody to hand it to you. So that's why the source is important. Anyway, I enjoyed this as your final project. I do hope you keep in touch and let me know where your career goes. Bye bye.